Hey guys, Goonskid here. Today we are going to be installing a Tyger brush guard to a 2003 Ford Expedition. Let's get right into this video. Okay guys, first thing to do is get those tow hooks off. It says remove this front bolt. When it says remove the forward tow hook bolt, loosen but do not remove the rear bolt, and slide the tow hook out from under the
It's a big tow hook.
Yeah, it's really heavy.
The tow hook probably weighs as much as that whole guard here.
Yeah, seriously. Finger tight. Not yet.
That's where we need to take the front one all the way out and just loosen the back one.
So I am screwing in these bolts that secure this bracket onto the main bumper guard, so we can put it onto this, which was where the tow hooks were.
What size are those bolts?
I don't know, 13. You'll need to use the 13 millimeter socket wrench with the 8x32 millimeter bolt and a locking washer and a regular washer. Snug it but not too tight, because we're still gonna have to line it up with that. So you're probably gonna need a helper to lift your bumper guard up, so you can line up this with this and secure it. Once your helpers helped you line it up, once your helper has aligned the bumper guard, just finger tight the bolts and look at the front for alignment. Looks good to me. Let's tighten it up.